How to add reviews to Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Customer reviews build trust and help boost sales. So let's dive right in and learn how to set it up. The easiest way to add product reviews is by installing Shopify's free product reviews app. To get started, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps in the left-hand menu, and then click on Customize your store at the top. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Product Reviews and click on the app. Click on this button, then follow the prompts to install it on your store. Once the app is installed, you'll need to configure it. So go back to your Shopify dashboard, and in the Apps section, you should see Product Reviews listed. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you can adjust things like review visibility, auto-publishing reviews, and enabling review notifications for new ones. You can also customize the review layout to match your store's theme. Now it's time to add the review widget to your product page. Go to Online Store, then click on Themes in the left-hand menu. Click Customize for your current theme. In the Customization menu, click Add Section and search for Product Reviews. Add the review section to the product page template. Once added, it will automatically show up on all your product pages, allowing customers to leave and view reviews. If you're migrating from another platform or have existing reviews, you can import them directly into Shopify. To do this, go back to the Product Reviews app and you'll find the option to import reviews. You can upload a CSV file with your previous reviews and they'll be added to the corresponding products on your store. Now that reviews are set up, it's important to encourage your customers to leave feedback. You can do this by sending follow-up emails after a purchase or offering a small discount for submitting a review. Having plenty of authentic reviews will help build trust with potential buyers. To ensure that your reviews are high quality, Shopify's app allows you to approve or delete reviews. You can also respond to customer feedback to show that you care about their experience. Head back to the app to review and manage customer feedback from time to time. And that's how you can add product reviews to your Shopify store. Reviews are a powerful tool to increase conversions and customer trust, so make sure to implement them. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.